Hi to all traders and welcome to another Market Insights video where we'll bring you the latest in what's going on in the market and the opportunities in doing so. And this video has been once again brought to you by Orbex. So the big news on the cryptocurrency front over the weekend, we saw Bitcoin delve below 20,000 for the first time in quite a while, and also Ethereum actually touching $900. And this is over the course of, well, over a year now. As if we look at the back end of 2021, we saw Bitcoin actually punch up towards 70,000. And now if you think $50,000 worth of BTC dollar moving towards the downside has been wiped off the currency pair, which is quite dramatic. We know Bitcoin and Ethereum and a host of other cryptocurrencies have big swings in the market, but these swings seem to be very, very pressured in the near term at least. But we have seen a bounce since Monday. That was yesterday's trading session, where we've seen an 18% move to the upside. So now we've got Bitcoin trading in the in the region of 21,000, and also Ethereum, which is trading in the mid 1,100s as well. So what's causing the big push? Well, is it a case of buying the dip at the moment? A lot of traders are a bit worried that it could plummet even further, so they're taking advantage of this digression and turning it into a progression. So let's just take a look on the markets then. On the chart, so I've got the Ichimoku cloud indicator on that I'm using today, and what we're seeing at the moment, if we just pull this back, it's signaled the $20,000 mark at the moment, but we haven't seen this since the back end of 2020, so quite a long time since we saw these prices in the market. And as I said, this is on a daily chart now, just moving up. I'll just bring it a little bit more into focus so we can see it. So as I said, the $20,000 mark is what I've labeled at the moment. So we're seeing a bit of a progression, a bounce since we actually fell below 18,000 on the weekend. And this move to the downside, as I said, could it just be a case of traders buying the dip and excuse me, and seeing what happens with the rumor as well. We're trading still in a bear market though, especially for Bitcoin, and we'll just take a look on the 4-hour chart as well. So what are the opportunities for Bitcoin at the moment? Well, a lot of traders in the early part of today's session are saying that we should be experiencing more of an upside push. So with that being said, as you can see here, we are pushing past the $20,000 mark, going into the $21,000 territory at the moment. So it has started off quite bright for bulls on this Tuesday morning, but now we're going to see what the consequences are. If we can push past the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud, that will give me a good indication that we will start moving back up to the upside. Whether or not we'll get a V-shaped recovery anytime soon towards this area that we've seen recently, roughly about the 30,000 mark, that will be a case to be decided for the bulls in the near term at least. But it's not so far away. That was only a couple of weeks ago, don't forget. So we have seen a dramatic 10,000 drop in currency since then. So we'll see if that has anything to do with any of the headlines coming out. Ethereum, on the other hand, I'll just bring it out to the daily chart as well. As I said, dipping towards the $900 region, and I've just pointed that out as well. So $900 making up what looks like the cryptocurrencies are moving in tandem at the moment. So as I said, at the end of, the back end of 2021, we saw this very big swing high, but since then a lot of value has been wiped off a lot of these cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but a lot of the popular ones as well. But we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum in particular today because it does make up quite a big host and asset amount of the cryptocurrency space in the world. So as you can see here, we are now looking what seems to be another upside push for Ethereum along with Bitcoin. But as I said, for me, I'll be waiting to see if we can crack this lower border of the Ichimoku cloud, give us engulfment, and then see what the consequences are for the upside and opportunities as well, more importantly. Like Bitcoin though, nothing too much in the way of divergences on the RSI. We are kind of moving in tandem at the moment. These higher highs and lower lows here are moving retrospectively. So we'll just see what the next 24 hours brings. If we do see an upturn in these cryptocurrencies, then we will be looking at more of a push to the upside as well. So just keep an eye out for that, and we'll see what's in store for tomorrow's headlines. So until then, bye for now.